This is how to grow a beard and what you need to think about while doing so. Even though growing a beard is depending a lot on your age and genetics, there are ways you can speed up the process. I managed to take my beard from this to this in just about 3 months. I have been using a micro-needling device called a derma stamp, 1 to 2 times per week. I have also been using minoxidil 2 times 7 out of 7 days per week. Doing these things and nothing else will be helpful, but there are ways to maximize the gains. First of all, you should try to keep your beard as short as possible while growing it. Doing this makes it a lot easier to apply the minoxidil, and it also makes it a lot easier to connect with the derma stamp. Since you want to keep the needles pretty short for your beard, having a lot of long hair in the way will make it a lot harder to connect. Another super important thing is to keep your skin fresh. Make sure to regularly wash your face and get rid of any dryness. Minoxidil can make your skin very dry, so keep that in mind. If you are worried about how you look during the period of beard growth, my recommendation is always to keep the beard a bit longer in the already dense areas. For example, if you have a perfect goatee, rock it, while keeping the side skin short.